House cleaning can either be a chore or it can be a way to generate tons of abundance. And chances are you're already cleaning your house about once a week or more. And if you want to really supercharge this house cleaning, it can be a way for you to generate lots more of what you want. And the Feng Shui today is all about that. So let's dive into it. First, if you're new here, I'm Claudat. I'm a modern Feng Shui master. I've helped tens of thousands of people over the last 20 years to design homes that make their dreams come true. And what we do here is totally unique. Nothing here is scary. It's all completely positive. Nothing here will limit your life. It's all completely expansive and infinite. And today we're going to talk about applying this Feng Shui to your house cleaning. So whether you're repairing things, cleaning things, making things more beautiful, everything you're doing in your home is self-care, because your home is a mirror of you. Starting from that baseline, everything you do to make your home better is going to make your life better. So let's start with a couple of ways that house cleaning can dramatically change your life, not just your home. And this is really important because when you get into the energy of this, you will be motivated in a totally different way. You'll have totally different energy when you go to clean. Even washing your dishes will feel like a whole different scenario. So first thing, your home is a mirror of your life. And so when you make your home cleaner, you polish your life. You are literally expanding your life force. You will feel better. One of the things you can do to help your friends if they're feeling down and they can't get out of a rut, if they live nearby, offer to go and clean their house with them or for them. And that can be something immensely life-changing. You might not be able to solve everyone's problems, but a clean home equals a much lighter life. There's actually been a lot of studies and anecdotal research about cleaning and how much it affects our psychological well-being. And just the act of making your bed in the morning has been shown to create happier people. Just getting up in the morning and making your bed can make your life so much more organized and so much more accomplished from the very first moments of the day, and it makes a really big difference. So if you're not feeling the best, if you're feeling down, turn on some music, start cleaning your house, and you will start generating more energy. Now let's talk about abundance, because abundance has everything to do with flow. And in Feng Shui, if things are dirty and stuck and dingy or messy, that is the opposite of flow. That's where things start to slow down and get stuck. So when you clean, you literally open up the flow of more energy, and that fresh energy will change everything. Now, on a pragmatic level, when you dust and vacuum, anything that you're washing in your home is going to increase your air quality, which is going to physically make you feel better. You're going to be able to breathe cleaner air. You're going to feel the shift physically, as well as feel this great big energetic boost of more flow. Now, on a more profound energetic level, if you're feeling ineffectual in your life, if you feel like things aren't working out, things aren't going your way, everything is kind of going sideways for you and you don't know how to turn it right, start cleaning. Every time something's chaotic in my life, you will find me cleaning something. And the reason is cleaning is you demonstrating to yourself and to the universe that you have the power to transform things. It's very much putting yourself in the driver's seat in life. So if you can put order into chaos in your home, you can put order into chaos in your life. If you can create sparkling and shining where things are dingy and dull, you can do the same thing physically, mentally, emotionally, out in the world, in your job, in your career, and your relationships. You have the power to transform things, and you will feel that instant accomplishment when you do this. On that same note, you can use house cleaning as a form of meditative practice. And when you're in more of a zone of meditation and personal flow state, you're going to activate more flow. Again, in your wealth, in your abundance, in the opportunities coming to you in all ways. In fact, that brings me to the next one, which is creativity. When you clean, you can open up to downloads and ideas. Julia Cameron talks about this in her fabulous book, The Artist's Way. She talks about using scrubbing, vacuuming, all the ing words, even walking, but scrubbing, vacuuming, polishing, all the things you can do around your house as a way to summon more inspiration and downloads from the universe into your life. So already, just hearing this, are you thinking to yourself, wow, I have been really looking at house cleaning as a chore. I've really been pushing myself to do this stuff because maybe as a kid it was a punishment, or maybe it just feels like a drudgery. And maybe I can tap into this thing I do anyway and start getting more benefits. Now, the more you clean, the more benefits you'll receive, but you don't have to scrub your house endlessly all day long every single day. However, when people start working with me, studying this work, all my clients get really into the therapeutic nature of house cleaning and the life-changing nature of house cleaning. In fact, one of my clients cleans her giant garage. She literally vacuums it with a shop vacuum, scrubs the floor, does the walls, everything when she's ready to bring in a big client. And instantly, a big client comes every single time. Now, you might say, why doesn't she just clean the garage every single day? Well, because it's a really big chore and she gets really big clients and she doesn't need to clean out her garage all of the time. But you might find that there are certain actions that you do that are like rubbing the genie lamp, opening up more flow. For me, it's often vacuuming and washing everything, washing bedding, washing curtains, washing everything. This giant fresh start. For you, it might be polishing the windows. It might be polishing your mirrors every week. It might be dusting. Get into a flow. So what are some of the things you can do to activate more of this prosperous energy? First, keep in mind that this is a prosperous, abundant activity. The energy with which you do things makes a difference. If I walked around my house mad that I had to clean and angry and scowling and, kind of dragging things around and feeling like this was such a chore that was put upon me, I'm not going to get big benefits from it. In fact, that drudgery energy is going to sink into every pore of my home. It's going to be part of the energy field of my home. And so if you are cleaning all the time and you don't feel the benefits, ask yourself if you've been kind of like, And next time you clean, make it fun. Really set an intention for yourself. I'm going to open up the flow to more of whatever it is that I want, and then start cleaning everything. Also, learn some new cleaning techniques because it makes it a lot more fun. When I learned really great ways to use a squeegee to do all my mirrors, it became so much fun to do the mirrors and the windows with a little squeegee that costs like $10. You might even want to get into mixing up your own DIY house cleaning stuff. I'm going to give you a hot tip here that you will not hear anywhere else probably, but there is something called miracle soap. And I'm going to do a whole video on miracle soap. I have to order some more because I'm out of my last gallon. I usually buy it by the giant gallons and they last forever and ever. I think my last gallon lasted me for a year and a half, and I use it for everything. I use it for house cleaning. I even take baths in it. It's purifying for your body. It's natural. People wash their hair with it. You can wash everything with it. It shifts energy, and I love making cleaning sprays with miracle soap. So if you want to explore something new, you can order yourself some miracle soap. I'm not affiliated with them at all. I will link it below. But for now, you can also explore other natural cleaning sprays, ways that you can DIY, make your own vinegar and water solutions, make your own Castile soap solutions. The more you can get your hands into the process of cleaning and be really inventive about it, the better you will feel. Another thing that really supercharged my house cleaning was getting an electric brush to do big scrubbing. So if you have a lot of tile, if you have tile floors and it's exhausting to clean and that's what makes it a big drudgery, you might want to invest in one of these electric brushes. They're not very expensive and it can change the way that you clean because it is so effective, so efficient, does the work instantly, and it makes it really fun. I'm just wielding my little electric brush and it just does everything for me. So these are some tips to get started, but the most important thing you can do is layer on the fun. Open windows. You might want to light some candles, fire up a playlist, get some music going, and start cleaning with your goals and wishes in mind. And it's time to make amazing abundance happen. And the more clear space you make, the more abundance you're going to bring into your life. If you want to learn to deeply declutter your space and get ready for tremendous transformation, Beyond Decluttering, the new Feng Shui Decluttering certification, which is really a personal deep dive into decluttering, where you'll also incidentally learn to be a professional, is here. And there's a link below to get all the details and start a deep dive decluttering for a giant fresh start. It's a whole workshop that'll guide you through lots more feng shui methods to declutter. So sign up below and get started, and start with your house cleaning with this deep, sparkling shift in mind, because life-changing things are about to happen. If you like this video, please like it. Actually hit the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends. It helps so much. I appreciate you so much. And the whole channel's full of videos for you to explore. I'm wishing you so much success with this, and I'll be back soon with more.